right, so what we got going on today? It's a little cold, but it's nice out. I don't know, we got 6 inches of snow or more probably. So I'm just to get outside, I'm coming out here and cutting some wood just for the barn. I don't like stealing the wood I have stored up for the house. So I'm just gonna go around in these little dead ash trees. There's one over there. There's one there leaning. Gosh, we got a bigger one back here. I really don't know if you can see it. Oh yeah, right there it is. That one right there with a tree stand on it. That's a nice one. It's a dead ash. There's some dead pine. I'm not gonna mess with that. Yeah, so we're just gonna cut this little stuff up, get a little trailer load of wood. You know, I'll even cut that little dead oak piece there up. You know, it don't matter to me. I love doing this. All right, we're gonna get after it. All right, I got my little steel MS 180 here. We're gonna get her fueled up. It's a nice little saw. I got that MS 362 there also. That's when I'm like really cutting wood. I'm just playing today. Got my little toolbox there with oil, files, safety glasses, earplugs, that type of stuff. Got me a jug of water, sardines, some crackers. Next pair of dry gloves, a couple of them. Got my Fisker's splitting axe. It's not considered a maul, it's a splitting axe. Got my cant hook up there. I won't need that today either, unless I get really ambitious. But anyway, we're gonna get this fueled up and we're gonna cut down some stuff, drag it over here, cut it up and throw it in the trailer. We'll pull the whole trailer in the barn and pull out of it and feed the stove. All right, there we go. Just a little load of wood. It's all seasoned, dried. You know, it's all standing, so it's not wet or anything. It's pretty cool. I mean, it's just little. I mean, a lot of people wouldn't even mess with it, but hey, that'll heat my barn for, shoot, 3 weekends, a couple weekends at least a couple weekends. Yeah, and that's just in this general area here, just little stuff. You know, little dead ash, one dead maple, about, I don't know, 6-8 inch OD, all the way down to like 2. All right, I'm gonna take that up to shop and back her in where it's warm. All right, remember, smile, lift heavy things, find something to do.